In the realm of furniture retail, IKEA stands tall as a pioneer, offering quality products at prices that make stylish living accessible to millions. However, as the world witnessed the passing of IKEA's visionary founder in 2017 and grappled with the rapid growth of online shopping, the company faced a critical juncture. How could they evolve strategically without losing the essence of what made them beloved worldwide? In the realm of entrepreneurship, stories of young visionaries taking their first steps into business are often inspiring tales. Mark Zuckerberg, Michael Dell, and Jack Dorsey all embarked on their entrepreneurial journeys at a remarkably young age, setting the stage for their future successes. However, Ingvar Kamprad, the founder of IKEA, took his first steps in commerce even earlier, selling matches to neighbors when he was just 5 years old in rural Sweden. This early experience taught him the art of offering quality at a low price, a principle that would become fundamental to IKEA's success. Walking into an IKEA store is like entering a meticulously designed maze that guides customers through a myriad of home furnishings and decor. The layout is strategic, compelling visitors to explore every corner. This unique retail experience has captivated shoppers worldwide, making IKEA synonymous with affordable yet stylish living solutions. While many are familiar with IKEA's iconic blue and yellow branding and its innovative flat-pack furniture, few may know the rich history behind the company. From its humble beginnings selling matches, IKEA's journey is a testament to entrepreneurial vision, strategic innovation, and a deep understanding of consumer needs. Today, we delve into how IKEA navigated significant transformations while steadfastly preserving its internal culture and external identity. Join us as we explore how IKEA revamped its franchise agreements to cultivate a more contemporary and managerial culture, ensuring coherence across its global network of stores. Additionally, we'll uncover the delicate balance IKEA strikes between global expansion and local relevance, including innovative adaptations in its supply chains. Deciphering IKEA's strategic vision. IKEA's enduring success is not just a result of clever marketing or innovative design, it's deeply rooted in a meticulously crafted strategic vision. Let's delve into the core questions of corporate identity and the choices that define a company's trajectory. At the heart of this exploration is Ingvar Kamprad's Testament of a Furniture Dealer, a foundational document that outlines IKEA's essence and purpose. In 1976, Kamprad meticulously articulated what IKEA would stand for: its product range, target customers, pricing policies, and overall mission. This testament wasn't just a one-time proclamation, it became essential reading for all IKEA employees, reinforcing the company's identity and guiding principles for over 4 decades. It's a rare and powerful statement of corporate purpose that transcends the furniture industry's confines. IKEA's journey began humbly as a mail-order business in Sweden during the late 1940s. Kamprad astutely observed the barriers that kept furniture prices high and decided to disrupt the market by offering quality furniture at affordable prices. This strategy wasn't just about cutting costs, it was about democratizing design and making stylish, functional furniture accessible to a broader audience. IKEA's early challenges and innovative solutions. In IKEA's early days, Ingvar Kamprad faced significant challenges, especially from established furniture manufacturers who resisted his disruptive pricing strategies. They boycotted IKEA, refusing to participate in furniture fairs or supply their products to the company. This forced Kamprad to seek alternative supply sources, leading him to discover the cost advantages offered by Polish manufacturers. This strategic move not only lowered IKEA's production costs but also laid the foundation for a formidable competitive advantage. Swedish culture played a crucial role in shaping IKEA's approach. Frugality and careful spending were virtues Kamprad embraced, driving his mission to make quality furniture affordable for everyone. This cultural ethos, combined with Kamprad's farm upbringing, fueled his determination to challenge the status quo and drive down prices, even in the face of industry opposition. Kamprad's visionary insights extended beyond pricing strategies. He revolutionized the retail experience by situating IKEA stores outside city centers, leveraging cheaper land, and offering expansive, customer-centric spaces. The addition of restaurants, featuring the iconic meatballs, and childcare centers made IKEA stores destinations in themselves, encouraging customers to spend more time and make the trip worthwhile. IKEA's innovation extended to the concept of flat-pack furniture, borrowed from other innovators but executed on a massive scale by Comprod. Allowing customers to pick and assemble their furniture packs not only saved costs but also enhanced the overall shopping experience, empowering customers and further driving down expenses in store. Decoding IKEA's unique organizational structure. IKEA's intricate organizational structure stems from its origins in Sweden, a country known for high corporate taxation. To mitigate this, IKEA established a complex legal and ownership framework based on foundations in the Netherlands. This structure allowed them to lower tax burdens significantly. The company is divided into two distinct entities: the franchise store responsible for brand management, and the operational side managed by franchisees, which also includes manufacturing functions. The separation between brand management and operations was influenced by Ingvar Komprod's charismatic leadership style. His strategic decisions shaped IKEA's organizational setup, reflecting a blend of tax optimization strategies and operational efficiency. IKEA's distinctiveness extends to its embrace of Swedish culture and identity. Unlike many multinational corporations that try to blend in locally, IKEA proudly displays its Swedish heritage. From product names that are a challenge to pronounce for many, to the presence of Swedish flags and iconic offerings like meatballs, IKEA incorporates Swedish spirit into its brand identity. This approach defies the conventional liability of being a foreigner concept often encountered by multinational firms, showcasing IKEA's commitment to authenticity and its unique brand positioning. By celebrating its Swedish roots and maintaining a distinctive organizational structure, IKEA has created a strong brand identity that resonates globally. This strategic alignment with its cultural heritage has contributed significantly to IKEA's success and enduring appeal among consumers worldwide. Inside IKEA's egalitarian and open culture. Working at IKEA offers a unique experience shaped by its egalitarian culture. Unlike traditional corporate settings, IKEA fosters a flat hierarchy where even high-level managers and VPs do not have personal assistants. Only the CEO enjoys this privilege. This structure promotes a sense of equality and encourages direct communication among all employees. The absence of individual offices contributes to a collaborative and friendly atmosphere at IKEA. Employees share open workspaces, creating opportunities for spontaneous interactions and idea exchange. This collegial environment is further enhanced by the use of IKEA furniture throughout the office, reflecting the company's ethos in its own workspace. IKEA's culture is deeply intertwined with its commitment to democratic design. This principle extends beyond product development to the organizational culture itself. The emphasis on democratic values permeates every aspect of the company, fostering a sense of inclusivity and participation among employees. IKEA's willingness to share confidential internal documents and engage in open discussions about strengths and challenges demonstrates a culture of transparency and openness. This approach not only encourages dialogue but also promotes a sense of trust and collaboration among team members. The combination of an egalitarian work environment, open office spaces, a commitment to democratic design, and a culture of transparency makes IKEA a unique and appealing place to work. This culture not only reflects IKEA's values but also contributes to its success as a global brand known for innovation, collaboration, and inclusivity. Keys to IKEA's long-term success. IKEA's success can be attributed to its clear vision and unwavering purpose. From the beginning, IKEA set out to offer a wide range of well-designed and affordable furnishings, catering to the needs of the many with limited financial resources. This clarity of purpose has guided their business decisions and strategies over the years, allowing them to stay focused and consistent in their offerings. Central to IKEA's success is their commitment to serving a broad customer base. By prioritizing the needs of the many over the few, IKEA has positioned itself as a brand accessible to a wide range of consumers. This inclusivity has resonated with customers globally, contributing to IKEA's widespread popularity and market success. IKEA's success lies in its systematic approach to executing its vision. They have built a robust system that allows them to efficiently offer practical, well-designed products at low prices. This system encompasses everything from product development and sourcing to store layout and customer experience, ensuring consistency and quality across their operations. IKEA's distinctive brand identity, synonymous with Sweden and its values, has been a significant driver of their success. Just as Coca-Cola is associated with the US, IKEA's Swedish heritage and commitment to democratic design have set them apart in the global market. This strong brand identity has fostered customer trust and loyalty over the years. IKEA's success has not only made them a market leader but also an inspiration for businesses and entrepreneurs worldwide. Their clear purpose and innovative approach serve as a benchmark for aspiring businesses, encouraging them to define their vision and strategies with equal clarity and focus. Torbjörn Lööf's leadership at IKEA. Torbjörn Lööf faced a significant challenge when he stepped into a leadership role at IKEA, following in the footsteps of an iconic leader and managing a privately held, family-controlled company. This transition required him to balance honoring IKEA's rich history while driving it towards a dynamic future. One of Lööf's immediate tasks was to restructure IKEA's organization to address complexities in its franchise system. The franchisee, responsible for a significant portion of sales, also operated as a manufacturer, creating imbalances in power and operations across different regions. Lööf aimed to create transparency and modernize the structure to incentivize new franchisees while ensuring consistency and fairness across the network. IKEA's focus on targeting low-income demographics evolved as their customer base shifted towards the middle class globally. This shift necessitated a re-evaluation of their market strategies to accommodate changing consumer profiles. Additionally, with ambitions to reach 3 billion consumers, IKEA embarked on a path of rapid global growth, especially in emerging markets like China and India. The rise of e-commerce posed challenges and opportunities for IKEA, requiring them to adapt their retail model to the digital age. Like many retailers, IKEA faced the task of integrating online channels seamlessly with their brick-and-mortar stores, enhancing customer experiences, and staying competitive in the digital marketplace. Lööf's leadership agenda focused on both immediate organizational restructuring and long-term strategic initiatives to position IKEA as an enduring icon for the next 75 years. This involved navigating complex market dynamics, embracing digital transformation, and upholding IKEA's core values while fostering innovation and growth. Challenges in IKEA's global expansion. As IKEA expanded globally, they encountered a dual challenge: meeting the evolving needs of their core market in developed countries and adapting to diverse demands in new geographies. The shift towards urban living and changing consumer lifestyles led to demands for closer store locations, delivery services, and online shopping convenience, challenging IKEA's traditional low-cost strategy and value proposition. IKEA's success has been rooted in a globally consistent approach, with 80% of their product range standardized across countries. However, entering markets like China and India revealed the need for higher levels of localization. Varying tastes, materials, and price sensitivity required IKEA to rethink not just product aesthetics but also production methods and supplier relationships, necessitating fundamental adjustments to their business model. While IKEA's low-cost strategy has been central to its success, penetrating markets with even lower price expectations posed significant challenges. The definition of thin wallet varied drastically across regions, demanding a re-evaluation of cost structures, supplier networks, and product pricing. Maintaining profitability while catering to ultra-budget conscious consumers became a critical balancing act for IKEA. IKEA's journey reflects the delicate balance between global expansion and preserving its core identity. Adapting to diverse markets while staying true to their mission of offering well-designed, affordable furnishings required strategic agility and deep understanding of local contexts. These challenges underscored the complexity of sustaining a global brand while navigating nuanced market dynamics. Future challenges. IKEA's 3 roads forward. IKEA's first road forward focuses on affordability redefined. It's not just about offering low prices, it's about making their products accessible to wallets that are extremely thin or where the willingness to pay is limited. This involves innovating to reach new customer segments who couldn't afford IKEA's offerings previously. Next is accessibility. Accessibility is about more than physical reach, it's about interacting with customers on their terms. IKEA aims to engage with customers wherever they are, whether in store, online, or through new channels, ensuring a seamless and convenient shopping experience tailored to diverse preferences and lifestyles. third is sustainability. IKEA places a strong emphasis on sustainability, aligning with broader societal and environmental goals. They strive to create products and practices that have a positive impact on people, society, and the planet, demonstrating a commitment to responsible business practices and addressing global challenges. Lessons from similar challenges. IKEA's journey parallels challenges faced by other multinational firms navigating global expansion, technology disruptions, and changing demographics. Companies like Procter & Gamble and Unilever have long grappled with balancing central coordination and local adaptability, a dynamic that IKEA mastered early on but now faces amplified complexities in new markets. As IKEA transitions leadership and embraces a more professional management structure, they confront these challenges amidst a rapidly evolving retail landscape. Their ability to innovate, adapt, and stay true to their core values will shape their future success and impact in the global marketplace. The Internet era and global consistency. In today's digital age, the Internet plays a pivotal role in shaping consumer perceptions and experiences across different geographies. Platforms like YouTube allow people to glimpse into IKEA stores worldwide, creating expectations and comparisons. This raises the question of how important consistency is across all IKEA locations versus the need for localized experiences to resonate with diverse customer bases. Maintaining consistency across global stores is vital for IKEA's brand identity and customer trust. It ensures that regardless of location, customers can expect the same quality, service, and overall IKEA experience. However, the allure of localization lies in tailoring offerings to specific cultural preferences, tastes, and shopping behaviors, making each store feel unique and relevant to its local market. The core challenge IKEA faces: evolving its time-tested model while staying true to its iconic identity. The model's strength lies in its uniqueness and familiarity to customers worldwide. Yet, in a rapidly changing environment, IKEA must adapt cohesively rather than reactively to external forces. This poses an existential question for IKEA: how to evolve without losing what makes it distinctly IKEA. IKEA's journey involves striking a delicate balance between global consistency and localized adaptation. It's about leveraging technology to maintain brand coherence while embracing cultural nuances and customer expectations. This adaptation isn't just about changing products or services, it's about evolving the entire IKEA experience in a way that resonates with today's global and diverse consumer base. The essence of IKEA: quality over quantity. If there's one crucial takeaway from the IKEA case, it's the question of growth versus staying true to what you do best. In a world obsessed with constant expansion, IKEA's story prompts us to rethink this assumption. Instead of blindly pursuing growth at any cost, IKEA's journey encourages us to prioritize quality, uniqueness, and value addition. IKEA stands out not just for its furniture but for the distinctive approach it brings to the world. It's not just about selling products, it's about offering a unique experience that adds tangible value to customers' lives. This essence of being different yet valuable is a cornerstone of IKEA's success. As the environment evolves, the challenge lies in how IKEA adapts while preserving its core identity. The company's openness in confronting this challenge is a lesson in itself. It's about finding the delicate balance between growth and maintaining what makes IKEA special. At its core, IKEA's success is rooted in its ability to offer something truly unique. This uniqueness is not just about products but about a whole experience, a blend of affordability, design, and functionality that resonates with millions globally. As IKEA navigates the complexities of growth and change, it serves as a reminder to focus on what truly matters, bringing something distinctive and valuable to the world. In essence, the IKEA story challenges us to question the relentless pursuit of growth and instead prioritize staying true to our core strengths, values, and the unique contributions we bring to the table.